Welcome to Panipat, a historic city in the state of Haryana, India. Situated 90 kilometers north of New Delhi and 170 kilometers south of Chandigarh, we are currently at Hindustan Infralog Private Limited's key inland container depot facilities, where container cargo is aggregated for export, import and domestic movement. The facility is spread over nearly 100 acres with 4 dedicated rail sidings, PFT warehouse of 2,45,000 square feet, ICD warehouse of 1,54,352 square feet. The facility has been operational since 2017. HIPL was formed in 2018 through a joint venture between DP World and NIIF. The platform aims to deploy up to $3 billion in ports, logistics and related sectors.
Hi, my name is Chandrasekhar Pitre and I am the Regional Head Commercial and Marketing at DP World. I have been with DP World for almost 4 years now and it's been a very exciting journey. DP World has been an integral part of India's growth story for over 2 decades. As a matter of fact, we handle a quarter of India's container volumes. We see tremendous potential in the country and want to partner the government to improve the resilience and competitiveness of the logistics industry in India. But before I deep dive into what we do at our Panipat facility, let me take a few seconds to talk about HIPL. Through this partnership, we are building an integrated logistics network in India, which is aimed at improving the efficiency of supply chains, reducing cost of logistics, and bringing about ease of doing business. We believe that DP World's expertise in building best-in-class logistics infrastructure, together with NIIF's local knowledge and government partnership, is the right combination to create growth in India's logistics industry. I'm pleased to share that we have made significant progress over the last 3 years. This prestigious joint venture has scaled up and now has a presence across container freight stations, inland container depots, private freight terminals, container train operations, free trade zones, cold chain, express and contract logistics. HIPL is now one of the leading logistics players in the country. Now let me talk about how our capabilities have been built at this site despite some of the hurdles faced during the lockdown. We have created a compelling value proposition for trade which has improved our EXIM market share from 16% in January to 34% in December 2020 by undertaking the following measures. Providing regular rail services with best-in-class transit times. We provide 5 weekly services to Mundra and 2 weekly services to Pipavav. Adding new commodities to diversify our product offerings such as cotton product goods, calcite, polymers, rice and forty-foot containers, wooden products, etc. Saving underframe costs by carrying empty boxes and facilitating exports. Leveraging network strength by running double-stack trains to reduce cost of logistics, which directly benefits trade, and building world-class infrastructure to improve efficiency and providing a seamless, uninterrupted operation, excellent connectivity, and superior service levels. And finally, I would like to share our plans on expansion and development of this facility so as to grow our business and improve margins going forward. Our first priority is growing both export and import volume, diversifying commodity mix and reducing imbalance, adding new EXIM circuits, mixing EXIM and domestic circuits for optimization, enhancing reefer business, exploring potential partnerships and collaboration opportunities, ramping up our warehousing capacity to fulfill the storage requirements of our customers and help in increasing the DPD share at gateway ports, and most importantly, providing end-to-end supply chain solutions to our customers by leveraging our network, which will help our end customers to remain competitive in the global market. Let's work towards redefining the logistics landscape of India together. Thank you.